Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John. Today, we're going to be going over another Saber Forge, and this one is the Xiphose. It comes in a small package, but it makes a lot of noise, and the features on this are just as good as ever. This has a Proffieboard with a custom chassis that I designed. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in, and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this is a Saber Forge Xiphose from the SF Apprentice line. So these are very thin and short. I believe this is like 9.5 inches long. This uses 12mm AV switches. These are the short ones from KR Sabers, so I don't know if you can hear that, but they are nice and clicky. Really great tactile response for Proffieboards. Oops. This has a Shtok NPXL V3, and then I had redesigned. This was installed previously with a Verso and a like an old Saber Forge sled, and all the wires got bunched up and broke and stopped working. So now this has the Shtok Rotary connector. It has a 18650, easy to remove battery because the battery wells are so deep. And then I like this. I added the plus and minus, so you really can't mess that up. There's also a plus and minus on the battery. And then Sabers Forever, obviously, on the chassis. So I've been having a lot of fun doing these simple chassis, and it's really getting the juices flowing. So Proffieboard, 18650. I'm sorry, 28mm, and a high amp kill switch.
Dumb little one.
Switch it over to the right. This is Rescue by Xiphose. This is probably one of my favorite Luke sound fonts out there. But top is your power and bottom is your auxiliary. This Saber is just ridiculously loud. I didn't actually go over the Saber, did I? This is a custom weathered by me and etched. It says Klama for the client, and then a genuine leather wrap. Custom etch, custom weathering, custom leather, and custom install now. So let's grab a blade real quick. Doing my little short guy. 2mm Allen wrench for the blade retention. So, really, really loud Saber. There's all kinds of great features.
Enter volume menu.
You can change the volume by holding the power and then tapping the auxiliary.
Minimum volume. Maximum volume. Volume menu end.
Also, Keenan did the Huyang voice pack for this, so also Xiphose. Really, really great Saber. Gesture on. You can color change by holding the aux and tapping the power with the blade on.
Red, orange, red, dark orange, orange, gold, yellow, gold, orange, dark orange, orange, red, revert.
And if you're ever in any kind of edit mode and you want to revert, just hit auxiliary. You can also go into edit mode.
Edit mode, edit style, edit color, edit font, edit track, exit.
And there are fonts on here as well.
Commander Skywalker, do you copy?
So a Vader and a Luke ESB Graflex. You can also go backwards by holding the Saber upside down and hitting auxiliary.
Are you a Jedi? I am.
And this is just, I love this Saber font so much. There's so many great things that Proffi has to offer. I could sit here all day and go over all of them, but I'm not going to do that because I don't think anybody's actually going to watch a video that's, 24 hours long. So Prove me wrong if I ever do it. Anyways, this doesn't have deep sleep, so you'll have to switch the power off in order to conserve power. Also, if you're on the road, obviously you don't want that turning on randomly. You have gestures off and on, so you can twist it left and right, and then it'll turn on. Twist it left and right, it'll turn off. All kinds of great features. Honestly, I'm always impressed with the quality of Saber Forge hilts, and it's a shame their installs are such garbage, but it gives me a great opportunity to turn something into awesome. So let's end the video here. I think that just about does it. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more cool installs like this. I really do enjoy doing these custom installs, so if you are perusing my website at sabersforever.com and you don't see anything that you like in the ready to ship section or any of the commission sections, please feel free to reach out to me at john@sabersforever.com. I'd love to help you install your Saber if you cannot find the chassis of your dreams. I am just getting started out on modeling, so master chassis are a little bit out of reach right now, but I can definitely help you out with just getting your Saber installed with a Saber chassis that's going to do justice to your Saber. So hit me up again at john@sabersforever.com if you have any needs like that. And until the next time, guys, may the Force be with you.